This is an example of a search using the ERIC database. Before doing any searches, I check the help menus to make sure that I'm aware of how to use it properly. For example, to do a basic search here, there's a lot of really good information with visuals. So let's do a basic search. My ILA is history, inquiry learning in a middle school history class. So I'll start with the two main terms, inquiry and history. I'm going to apply related words to that, and I want to find all of my search terms. There are other options here, but at this stage we'll do just those so we can do a comparison. Over 2,000 results, that's far too many. Let's limit it by full text, peer review, and since 2008. That's helped significantly. We're now down to 213. From here, we can limit it further by using this subject option. For example, we can do history instruction. Getting it down to 54. Probably from there I would find a few relevant articles, but we can go further. We can show more of the subjects, and from that, for example, social studies, we can choose scaffolding. That's very relevant. We can choose inquiry, secondary. We can choose critical thinking, history, middle school, high school, etc., etc. Quite a few there to choose from. From there, we're down to 32 results. So we should be able to find some pretty relevant documents there. Let's try to get a bit more specific, because I'm looking at the effect of inquiry learning on middle school history. So we'll try effect. We can put an asterisk in there, so it might look up effective or effectiveness. We get 42 results. Once again, we can go through the same procedure of refining it according to subject. I'll also try, rather than effect, outcome, because I want to see what is the effect on learning outcomes. And 11 results. The hope is that in there would be something quite relevant. Let's now go to an advanced search. And the advanced search gives us options to look in fields. So let's first of all start with inquiry and history. And we'll do full text, peer review, and 2008. We'll apply any related terms, find all my search terms. And we're back with that 213. This time, let's look for inquiry in the title only. And we're down to 20. If we did history in the title as well, that limits it quite a bit. We're down to 3. It's probably too limited, so we'll go back to all text. From here, we can also include alternatives to history. So that should broaden the results. So up to 30. Something I noticed is that using social science introduced a lot of science documents, even though it should be looking for social science. We're at 27 results. From there, once again, we can use these subject options. There are more here to try to get our results to be as specific as possible. So active learning is one, middle school, social studies, etc., etc. So just go through and choose those subjects. And we're down to 19 results. And then we would go through here, read the spiel. If it looks interesting, go to the full text, read the abstract, and decide whether to keep it or not, to examine it further.